Hi guys, welcome to the CATWay. So in this video, we are going to solve a daily set. And before we begin, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Now moving on to the set that we have. So it gives you that scientists have recently discovered a new planet and have named it Zeltrion. Now the inhabitants of Zeltrion are called Vulcans. Okay. Now the total land area of Zeltrion is 1 lakh square kilometers and there are many islands on Zeltrion, but the Vulcans are found only on 12 of them. Now, the table given below shows some data regarding these 12 islands. And you have been given that the population density of an island is equal to the number of Vulcans living on the island divided by the total land area of the island. Okay. So, this is what has been given to you. Okay. Chalo. Okay. Then few points have been given that the island with population density of more than or equal to 1 by 105 Vulcans per square kilometer are given density rating 1. More than or equal to 104 Vulcans per kilometer square but less than 105 are given density 2 and less than 104 are given a density rating 3. Okay, chalo. So, bhai, in the table, we have been given the name of the island, the number of people who are living on the island, and we have been given the land area of the island as percentage of total area of Zeltrion. Okay. So, like Andorian is there with 2.5% of the total land area of Zeltrion. Now, total land area of Zeltrion is 1 lakh square kilometers. So, 2.5% of it will be equal to 2500, right? And similarly, you can write down the total land area for different islands. So this one is 1%, so 1000 square kilometers. This is 500, this is 500, this is 4000, this is 2000, this is 3000, 5000, 8000, 1000, 1500 and 1000. So this has been given as the total area. So now what you know is the number of Vulcans who are living on an island and you know the total land area of the island. So it's very easy now to calculate the population density. Okay. It's very easy now to calculate the population density. Okay. Chalo. Then let's move to the questions. So what we have is that in how many islands is the population density more than 70,000 Vulcans per square kilometer? Okay, more than 70,000. So basically you have to check for the this column. Let's say this is name this as the third column and name this as the second column. So all you have to check is 3 divided by 2. That is all that you have to check. And it should be more than 70,000. Okay. It should be more than 70,000. So you see over here, what's being given over here is that it's what lakh crores. Okay, just a second. So this is still thousands, lakhs, crores. Okay, so it's way too much. Okay, 120 crores. Okay, so that is given to you as 120 crores. So 120 crores divided by 2500. Okay, that is what you have to do. So 120 crores divided by 2500 is definitely going to give you more than 70,000, right? It's definitely going to give you more than 70,000. So this island will be counted in our calculation. Then, okay, one easy thing that we can do is we can simply multiply these with 7 and 70,000, right? This is the one way we can calculate it easily. Okay. So for Bajoran, it is 1000 into 70,000, right? 1000 into 70,000 is going to give you what? 7 crores. Okay. 1000 into 70,000. So that will give you, yes, 77 crores. Okay. So definitely this value is more than that. This is roughly equal to 30 crores. Okay. So this will be counted, right? Then you calculate it for Chornian, whatever it is. So 500 into 70,000 is what you have to do. Okay, 500 into 70,000. So basically you get 3.5 CR. And here it is 15 CR. So definitely this one will be counted. Similarly, this one will be counted, right? This one will be counted because this is what? So 3 crores 50 lakhs is what you need. Whereas here what you have is 8 CR, right? 8 CR is what you have. Okay. Chalo. Then for the next one, it's for 4,000 into 70,000, right? 4,000 into 70,000. So 1,000 into 70,000 was 7 CR. So 4,000 will be 28 CR. Over here it is only 10 CR. So this won't be counted. Over here it is 2,000. So what you need is a 14 CR. Here over here it is only 80 lakhs. So this won't be counted, right? Then you have grand. So grand means 70,000 into 3,000. Okay, 70,000 into 3,000 is what you have to do. So what you will get is 21 CR. Over here what you have is 20 CR. So this won't be counted. 5,000 into 7,000 you need 35 CR. Over here what you have is, if you see, it's exactly 35 CR. So this won't be counted, right? This won't be counted because it should be more than 70,000. Okay. Then for Irken, if you see that it's definitely less because what you need is 56 CR, you have a 25 CR. For J, what you have is what you want is 7 CR. Okay, what you want is more than 7 CR, but the value that you find is only 5 CR, so that won't be counted. 1500, you need 10.5 CR, right? You need a 10.5 CR. What you have is a 3 CR. Okay, what you only have is a 3 CR, so this won't be counted, and similarly this also won't be counted. So in total, you have 4 islands with population density of more than 70,000. So option number D becomes your right answer in this case. Okay. Chalo, let's see what else do we have. Okay, array, why did I remove this? Chalo, koi nahi, no worries. So then the question is that how many islands are given a density rating of 3? So this is talking about population islands of density rating of like density rating of 3. It is basically asking about. Okay. So density rating is based on what? Ki the island with population density of more than equal to 104 volcans per square kilometer. Okay. That is what it is asking about. Okay. Chalo, let's see what do we have. So if you have more than 105, basically what you need is it should be less than 104, right? This should be less than 104. Okay. So for 104, they are going to be like very small values if you see. Okay, they are going to be really, really small values. Okay. So what we get is, okay, I believe there's some sort of a typing error or something. So this should not be equal to 105 because these are very low values. Okay. These are very low values. Okay, so I believe there's some typing error over here. Okay, so we'll remove this question from here. Okay, moving on to the third one, what do we have is that population density of Harmony Island is more than that of Grand. So by Grand ki population density is what? Grand ki population density is basically 66,666. Okay, Grand ki population density is 66,666.67. That is the population density, and you need the island who have more than that, right? Who have more than that. So first thing, the 4 that were more than 70,000, that we are definitely going to consider. Okay, that we are definitely going to consider. Okay. So what do we have is key by after now from the remaining ones you have to find it out. Okay, you have to find it out. So if you talk about E, what do you see is that it's going to be what? Easy, it's going to be equal to 1 CR divided by 2500. Okay, it's going to be equal to 1 CR divided by 2500 and 1 CR divided by 4,000, and you will get the population density to be 2500. Okay. Similarly, you keep on calculating the population densities, you will get this is 4,000. This is 70,000 because exact it turned out to be 70,000. This one is 31,250. This one is 50K. This is 20K, and this is again 20K. Okay. So there are only 5 islands who have more population density more than that of Grand. So option number A becomes the right answer. So this was a pretty easy set, guys, and hope you have understood the set well. Thanks for watching the video.